Okay, I'm going to attempt to clean a little section of the edge of my driveway here with this new 15-inch surface cleaner. So I've already got one of the two connecting rods connected to the washer. Comes with the second one. I don't know if that's a spare or if you need extra length. This is plenty of length for me because I have it hooked up to the wand on my gun, my power washer gun. So this is just an electric power washer, just a hair over 2,000 pounds per square inch. So whatever results I get, keep in mind that a gas powered power washer around 3,000 or 3,500 square feet, you're going to get a lot better results. But anyway, in this section of the driveway, I don't expect to get all of this stuff off. I mean, there's a shadow here, but I expect to get most of this black stuff off. Some of these stuff are permanent stains. I haven't been able to get it off. Maybe with acid I could, but I'm not using acid here, just plain water. So we just want to see how this unit works. Okay, here we go.